Good morning, everybody. What's everybody doing out there in the stratosphere? Hopefully as good as me, man. All right. So I got this baby charged up and going. I mean, I could have shut this thing off. Bluetooth speaker, fully charged. We ready to party. Basic miners doing their thug dizzle. They're doing their thing. They're getting that morning fresh, cold breeze. They're liking it. Helium miners, they're doing their thug dizzle. They're there, chilling, doing what they do. Guys, check this out, yo. I'm over here saving my pennies, right? You know what I'm saying? Because I need to buy new parts for these skateboards. So if I turn in these coins into dollars, then I can get more parts. And here we got the 5G miner. It's doing its thug dizzle too. I figured I'd put it on the ground because nearby the window's getting too hot. So I gotta protect the investment from overheatment, you know? Some other little solar box. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got power. We good. We ready to go.